To set custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you have to open the settings. For the first, go into the sounds and vibration settings and take a look. When you go for a ringtone, we have to just simply click on the plus just over here, and you can find all of your sounds on your phone. But if you cannot, for example, you have to download them or transfer them from the USB driver, but you cannot still find it, you have to put them into the internal storage /music/Samsung folder. So how it actually looks: open your files. Now locate your sound. So for me, it will be available in the audio files. I have to click and hold it and select copy. Now click on the internal storage and right now go for the music, Samsung, and put it over here. Now, when we go back, we can actually find our sounds. So we have to select this. There we go. And if you don't want to play selected highlights only, unselect this one, click done. And now when you are here, select your file. And now we can go back, and as you can see, we just successfully set this up.